I have an EdenPURE heater, model US 1000, approx 2 years old. It will turn on and fan works but only cold air coming out. I have already tried turning it off overnight and also cleaned the filter. Neither solved the problem. What next?
Welcome. Will you be taking this unit apart and repairing it yourself? Click here for parts. It is most likely a thermostat or heat sensor problem. 98% chance it's one or the other. These are all just simple switches, easy to check with an ohm meter. They should all check closed when the heater is set heating.
Regarding EdenPURE 1000 heater that is blowing only cold air. I've cleaned the filter and left unit unplugged overnight with no luck. Is there anything else I can do to diagnosis/repair problem with heater?
My previous post tells you what you can do to fix it yourself, and I can coach you on that as needed. First step is to click the link below. Click here for parts. It is most likely a thermostat or heat sensor problem. 98% chance it's one or the other.
Thank you. I will purchase an ohm meter and get back to you. I understand that the EdenPURE heaters are manufactured at 3 different locations. The specific manufacturer of my unit is Pinnacle Systems, which I don't see named on the parts listing. My unit does not look like the photo either. The operation and warranty manual indicates it's a EdenPURE model US 1000. Does that make a difference?
Hello again. EdenPURE has not always been the best at stocking parts. However, this company is used to sorting these issues out. Let me know how it goes. Please have the model of your unit when you call. Toll free ###strong.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.